Good day. I'm Kalangi Dorina Florendo from Pasay City. I work at OTS or Office for Transportation Security as an Intelligent Agent 1. I'm assigned at Airport Terminal 1 as SSSO or Screening Security Officer. My major learning about the principle of management are very important because they provide a guide to correct decision making and proper use of resources. They help to make planning, organizing, leading, and controlling in an organization more efficient. As a result, performance becomes more consistent, teamwork is better, and the company goals are more easily achieved. For me as SSSO is very important also, the planning of our security, safety of the passenger who takes flights or all airport users depends on us because we see everything, the passenger, hand carry, and the luggage. We have baggage inspection were confiscated like dangerous goods, flammable gas, and the hand carry. More than 100 ml liquid sharp points like scissor, knife are not allowed to board. At bilang isang security screening officer, lagi kang matikas, may kakayanan, malakas ang loob sa pagharap sa tao at lahat ng mga pasahero. At dapating good communication with respect and smile. Kaya ang principal management is very important sa akin at sa ating lahat at ito ay napakalaking tulong. Ma'am, thank you very much po sa subject na ito. About naman po sa grade, thank you Lord at nagkaroon ng ganitong ETIA program. Sa iyo Madam Jeneline, my instructor. Jeneline Domingo, thank you very much po. Nawa po ay mabigyan mo ako ng tama at fair na grade. Salamat po. God bless.